Dear students, my name is Sunil Kumar. So today we are going to study about the UPSC current affairs topic, and the topic is wide disparities in human development in India. So this is one of the most important topic in civil services. It's related to human development index. As this topic is in news in the recent times, so as you can see that, so despite increased awareness about suicide, and the suicide rates are increasing and has to be addressed. So why this has become a question in UPSC? Why it is important? Because you know that in UPSC papers, in the gender study papers, human development index is one of the major area of concern. Because India being such a huge country, so many states, so every year we need to understand about our geographical states and what is the human development. So based on Indian states and the population, the development index has been prepared. So as everyone know that HDI, Human Development Index, has been created in the year 1990 by UNO, and the main agenda for Human Development Index ranking is to look after the various aspects of life. Means how the country and the people in that country, how the people life is, and based on their lifestyle, their knowledge, standard of living, healthy life, means what's the life expectancy. So this all depends upon the various aspects of the particular country and the people how they reside. Like in India we have many states. Every state depending upon the state income, so depending upon the jobs, so depending upon the standard of living, depending upon the income and expenditure. So this score can be varying from state to state. So as you know that this score is ranging from 0 to 1. Like the higher value indicates the higher human development index. So I am going to show you one chart over here. You can see that this is the indicator about HDI, Human Development Index. It's about life expectancy at birth, life expecting index, like expected years of schooling, schooling of years, education index. Like you can see here the GNI, like per capita income. So technically any country, the growth is depending upon the income and expenditure. So the overall dimensions, the life, the hospitals, the food, the schooling, the education system, the way the people live there, what is the standard of living over there, what are the income sources, whether they have house, whether they are residing in some apartments in a rented house, whether they have some good standard of food, whether they have good agriculture. So these factors are depending on many aspects, so I can't say that it is depending only on one or two. So based on this index, every year there will be a report generated for all the countries. So based on that, every state in India, how they are performing, what is their income, what is their expenditure, how they are able to perform. So based on that we can say that which state is performing good, which state is not performing good. Depending on that calculation it can be decided. Here you can see status according to the recent report of 21-22. The 5 states Delhi, Goa, Kerala, Sikkim and Chandigarh with the highest human development index. And the bottom 5 states, as you can see, Bihar, UP, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand and Assam. So this is a concern because every state should develop equally and every state should also have equal opportunities in terms of jobs, in terms of standard of living, in terms of opportunities, in terms of FDI, in terms of water, in terms of schooling, in terms of quality education, in terms of standard of living, in terms of air pollution. So there are various aspects. So some states they fail in providing this. So this index gives us a clear idea about how the states are, in which ranking the states are. So depending on that, the next year the states can make a budget plan for the development. So the areas where they missed in the last year, they can focus on that particular things, and slowly gradually they can also come into the top ranking. So not only states, the ranking of India is also very questions can be asked in terms of UPSC main exams, where the recent reports can be taken into consideration and people can write based on the reports. And some of the questions can come also in UPSC preliminary exam, like what is India's rank in the recently concluded report. So that type of questions can be asked, and they can ask the state wise what's the ranking in the top 5 states. So you can expect maximum questions from such reports. So students, I hope you like this class. So I wish you all the best for your preparation. Thank you.